Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to use hotspot on iPhone. To use hotspot on iPhone is very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up your settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings on this iPhone. So once you open up the settings on this iPhone, this is what I want you to do. I want you to check very well. You're going to see where it says personal hotspot. I want you to tap on that personal hotspot. So once you tap on the personal hotspot, the very first thing I want you to do on here, you can see where it says allow others to join. You want to turn on that allow others to join by tapping on it. So once you tap on it, it will turn it on. This will allow others to join whenever you turn on your personal hotspot. Then the next thing I want you to do, I want you to set up your password by tapping on the Wi-Fi password. Just tap on this Wi-Fi password. What you want to do on here, just want to put in the password you want to use. Then once you are done putting in the password you want to use, if you check the top right corner, you are going to see where it says done. You want to tap on that done and your password will be set successfully. So once you do these two things, the next thing you want to do is to wait for somebody to connect. So this is how you can actually turn on the personal hotspot and how to use the personal hotspot on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.